Navigating Complex Academic Challenges, a comprehensive guide.
Academic life is filled with various challenges, from managing coursework and meeting deadlines to navigating complex research projects and balancing extracurricular activities. As students progress through their academic journey, they often encounter increasingly complex academic challenges that require effective strategies, skills, and support. In this article, we'll explore the nature of complex academic challenges, discuss the importance of developing effective coping mechanisms, and provide practical strategies for navigating these challenges.
Understanding complex academic challenges. Complex academic challenges can take many forms, including 1. Rigorous coursework. Advanced courses, such as honors or AP classes, can be particularly demanding, requiring students to think critically, analyze complex information, and produce high-quality work.
2.
Research projects. Research projects, whether for a thesis, dissertation, or research paper, can be time-consuming and require students to develop advanced research skills, critical thinking, and analytical abilities. 3. Time management. Balancing multiple assignments, deadlines, and responsibilities can be overwhelming, requiring students to develop effective time management skills and prioritize tasks. 4. Academic pressure. The pressure to perform well academically can be intense, leading to stress, anxiety, and burnout.
5.
Self-doubt and imposter syndrome. Some students may experience self-doubt or imposter syndrome, feeling like they don't belong or aren't qualified to succeed in their academic pursuits.
The importance of developing effective coping mechanisms. Developing effective coping mechanisms is crucial for navigating complex academic challenges. By learning how to manage stress, prioritize tasks, and seek support, students can 1. Improve academic performance. Effective coping mechanisms can help students achieve better grades, complete assignments on time, and produce high-quality work. 2.
Enhance mental health. By managing stress and anxiety, students can protect their mental health and well-being. 3. Develop resilience. Learning to navigate complex academic challenges can help students develop resilience, perseverance, and a growth mindset. 4. Build confidence. By overcoming obstacles and achieving success, students can build confidence in their abilities and develop a sense of self-efficacy. Strategies for navigating complex academic challenges. Here are some practical strategies for navigating complex academic challenges. 1. Break down complex tasks. Divide large assignments or projects into smaller, manageable tasks to reduce overwhelm and increase productivity.
2.
Create a schedule. Plan out your time and prioritize tasks to ensure you're meeting deadlines and staying on track. 3. Seek support. Reach out to professors, teaching assistants, classmates, or mentors for guidance, feedback, or support. 4. Develop a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than threats to your ego or self-worth. 5. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being by getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. 6. Stay organized. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management software to stay organized and focused. 7. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. The role of technology in navigating complex academic challenges. Technology can be a powerful tool for navigating complex academic challenges. Here are some ways technology can help. 1. Organization tools. Utilize digital calendars, to-do lists, and project management software to stay organized and focused.
2.
Online resources. Take advantage of online resources, such as academic databases, research articles, and study guides, to support your learning. 3. Collaboration tools. Use collaboration tools, such as group chats or video conferencing software, to work with classmates or colleagues on group projects. 4.
Time management apps. Utilize time management apps, such as Pomodoro timers or focus-enhancing apps, to stay on track and avoid distractions.